Good morning and welcome to this very special session. I'm delighted that Mr. Farooqui, Secretary Telecom, and Mr. Ravi Shankar, who as you know is Administrator of the USOF and also CEO of Bharat Broadband Networks Limited, are here with us today. Thank you very much for being here. And we're very, very pleased to have you here at this first meeting of the newly constituted for this year CII National Committee on Broadband and Telecom. We just finished our meeting, the business part of the meeting, and some very good and interesting deliberations. We're really looking forward to this sharing of some thoughts with you and interaction with you. Thank you for taking the time and being with us today. This committee has been focusing on issues related to the telecom sector and broadband. And today, we are very happy that one of the special features that we've got is the broadband report which we've been working on. We think broadband has tremendous potential to transform the country, and industry, of course, will be a major driver of this. We are looking at partnering very, very closely with the government in this process. We've had many interactions with Mr. Ravi Shankar on this. He's been extremely helpful in guiding us, suggesting things to us. We've shared our thoughts with him. And one of the things which we have been together concerned with between government and industry is how can you create appropriate business models that really capitalize on this tremendously exciting possibility of taking fiber to 250,000 panchayats across the country. What can we do with this huge new highway, which in many ways, like the conventional highways program, is set to transform India, and in fact in an even more substantial way, because this is bigger, has a wider reach, is more ambitious, has been done more quickly. What can we do? And we see this as a major partnership between the government and industry, a true private-public partnership to try and define the contours of how we can fully make use of the new technology and the fact that fiber is being laid out now across the country, and what can we do to make sure that what happens is something that transforms rural India in an inclusive, high-growth way, even as industry benefits from it. We've had other deliberations, Mr. Farooqui, on other issues that are of interest, and I'll brief you on those separately. We've had a chance to meet with you briefly in the past, and we hope to continue our interaction with you as the industry moves forward. This industry, I want to remind us collectively, has been the showpiece of India. It's really been part of the new India and the revolution it's created. What it's done in terms of taking the mobile to every household in India, a device that is owned by more Indians than any other device. I think the only thing that just might compete with it may be this kind of thing, a pen. It has more numbers and more reach than wristwatches or bicycles or clocks. I haven't seen figures to that extent. And I think what it can do is fantastic. The last couple of years, the industry has gone through difficulties. There have been problems. There have been some controversies. I see that we are getting out of it. The government has taken a number of steps to get us out. We hope to work together closely to make sure that we get out of the difficult patch and get back to the path we were on in the heyday of this industry. And I see, in fact, even more exciting times ahead as we move to new technologies and get to broadband. This interaction is part of our effort to see how can we make sure that we understand what is government's vision, what they are doing. And on our part, we would like to convey to the government where are the difficulties, what are the pain points, where is it that we see barriers which we can together work on and removing, and where is it that we can work together to see that the objectives that are common are realized through ways and means that are efficient, quick, and yet take care of all concerns that might be there. I think this, therefore, interaction is a critical part of what we want to continue doing. Thank you once again, Mr. Farooqui and Mr. Ravi Shankar, for being here and spending this time with us. One of the special things today, as I said, is the broadband report, and I want to turn to Jaideep Ghosh, who's here. Jaideep, thank you for being here with us today. KPMG has been our partner in doing this report. They put it together. So I want Jaideep to give us a brief overview of what this report is all about. Jaideep, all yours.